Hey guys, T here. I want to draw a circle in this piece of plywood here. It's a big one, and I could use some great old tools I've got here. There's a pair of dividers that a blacksmith made years ago, handmade, beautiful. Or here's another pair of dividers, big old guys, lovely tool. Or I could use a piece of string. Tie a slip knot around it, run it around a screw that's in the middle. String always stretches, I find. Or I could do this. I could use a yardstick. Put some holes in here and some pins. Turn that boy around, draw that circle fast. I don't know, let's try that method. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get to drawing. So we're going to mark at the 1-inch mark. And we want a 20-inch circle. So that would mean that would be a 10-inch radius. But because we marked it at 1, we've got to add an inch. So we're going to mark it at 11. That'll give us a 10-inch radius and a 20-inch circle. Sounds right to me. So with the holes that we just cut, we've got a 14, 16, 18, and 20-inch circles. So there's a quick circle guide made out of a yardstick. Just drill a bunch of holes in it. You don't even have to use a ruler because it is one. And circle away. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.